Meaning of Harry Flashman.
Harry Flashman.
Harry Flashman.
Harry Flashman.
Harry Flashman. Harry Flashman is the title character in a series of historical fiction novels by George MacDonald Fraser. The character is a cad and a coward who often finds himself in the midst of famous historical events through his own vices and manipulations. Despite his many flaws, Flashman is also portrayed as a charming and witty rogue, making him a popular anti-hero. The series has been praised for its historical accuracy and satirical tone, and has spawned numerous adaptations in various media. Overall, Harry Flashman is a complex and controversial figure who continues to captivate readers.